I will get back to you in a second. As we done from the outside, we're gonna clean up with the vacuum and hand vacuum. Where there's the mobile, we already done it, not already. Like this. And she really needs a power up, right? Yeah, the battery is dead. The battery is dead, so we need to charge it up. But mainly we took everything out. As you can see now, it's clear. We have a little bit of dust, but mostly it's clear. Now, second round, we're gonna clean the windows with just toilet paper and some drinkable water. So, as you can see here, we have a sprayer. This is basically water that we drink. Drinkable water, to be honest. I'm gonna put it as a splash. There we go. Splash a little bit of water now and there. And some paper. And let's start to wash. Take everything out, take everything out, take everything out. First with the wet one. Like that. You see the dirt. Take another piece. It's almost finished. We need to buy more of course. Spray a little bit of water. Like that. Let's then continue. We'll grab the dry one. We go all over again, so we can be safe of everything. We even do the doors. So we can see much clear. We pass even the railing. Again with the door. Splash a little water again. Just like that. Go around it. Just like that. And we'll finish with this one. There we go. Now for the bedding that we're going to use. subtrain. Usually I use the Zoomet 26 liter, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's almost finished. I went to the reptile shop this morning and he didn't have anything left, so I bought this one instead. It's the Komodo, a 100% natural subtrain. As you can see, Komodo. It's quite good for coarsening, as you can see down here. And for the forest side, the forest floor, Zoomet. It's 8.8 liter. It's quite good, as you can see, for coarsening. It's quite expensive, but let's put some mixture in. Unfortunately, I don't have a stabilizer to put the mobile with me, so I need to use one hand for this. This is gonna be the forest floor section. I need a bigger hole, I think. What do you think, guys? Bigger hole, bigger hole. I'm gonna put this down. So, put it apart. Grab you guys. And here we go. This is basically how much I'm gonna use this forest floor. Put it aside like this. This is where it's gonna be the water part, like that. Let's put a little bit material here, like this. She right now, because it's summertime, she really likes this part because, as we said, it's not that warm. It's a bit colder. There's a little bit more of humidity. That's why I leave the basking light there, so even the water can evaporate a bit, and you're gonna be more colder side. Now I'm gonna put this apart so we can put Aspen. It's the Aspen time. Let's use the things that we have left, like that. Throw this away. Let's see how much we need from the Komodo. I'm gonna need for sure tub, but you might never know. We'll break down all those big pieces that we have, like this. Like that. So we have an idea right now what we can see, what we have right now. We need to put a little bit more. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you guys on the stand so we can continue pouring some Aspen. So, let's open the other end. Let me bring some of the knife. I think it's gonna be enough now. Like this. She's gonna have a bit of way of hiding, making tunnels. She's a tunnel master. I think that's enough. And voila. Now I'm gonna go bring the leaves and we'll touch everything. And off we go. Fresh and clean.